The First Alert plug-in carbon monoxide alarm with battery backup offers protection against carbon monoxide with a unique plug-in design for easy installation. Did you know that approximately 50,000 people in the United States visit the emergency room each year due to accidental carbon monoxide poisoning? Yet more than 40% of American homes do not have a carbon monoxide alarm. Carbon monoxide is an invisible, odorless, tasteless, poisonous gas, giving it the name the silent killer. Sources of carbon monoxide can be any fuel-burning devices, such as your stove, furnace, water heater, and even your car. This alarm features an advanced electrochemical sensor that is optimal for detecting carbon monoxide. When carbon monoxide levels rise, the alarm will emit an 85 decibel siren that is designed to wake even the soundest of sleepers. The alarm has a simple and easy-to-use plug-in design for quick installations anywhere with a 120-volt wall outlet. Simply find an outlet and plug in. No mounting hardware or wiring is needed for installation. A battery backup powered by a 9-volt battery is present, so you're never left without protection. The battery compartment is located on the back of the alarm. Safety features such as a low battery light and chirp will alert you when battery power is running low, and an end-of-life timer lets you know when the device should be replaced. A carbon monoxide detector lasts approximately 5 years. On the front of the alarm, you'll find the single-button silence and test button. This alarm comes with a 7-year limited warranty. So where should I be installing carbon monoxide alarms? Carbon monoxide detectors should be installed on every level of your home and in every bedroom. Garages are also important in the event a car is left running. Contrary to a popular myth about carbon monoxide, these alarms do not need to be installed near the floor to be effective. Carbon monoxide is actually slightly lighter than air, and it diffuses throughout the room or house evenly. It is best to keep carbon monoxide alarms at least 10 to 15 feet away from any fuel-burning appliance. Avoid humid areas such as bathrooms, leave out of direct sunlight, and avoid places where there's too much air circulation, such as near fans or vents. For added protection, combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarms are available. For more information, guides on installation, or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.